Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make a sun vector. So first, open a new document, then fill it with one of your color schemes. Then make a new layer and go to the brush tool and select your vector and change the size and stuff like that. And then once you did that, go to your brushes again and select this kind of brush. And then make it higher to like 100 something. And then make sure it goes over the center of the vector. And then just click. And it should make that little circle thing. Then create a new layer and go to your selection tool right here and then select the parts where you want a different pattern to be. This will take a while. And staring me down. It's toasty, looks good. Sorry, thunder. Photoshop's being jerk today. Oh, it's gonna. Okay, let's just pretend those are all those things I want a different pattern. Then go to the fill tool again. Make sure it's on your next layer, and then select pattern in the drop down menu, and pick a pattern. And there. And then press deselect, go select, and then deselect. And then double click on layer 2. And then you can just change the settings. Okay. And then make a new layer and go to the selection tool again and just keep on picking things. Like okay, and let's just pretend that's perfect selecting and yeah. And then go to your fill tool again and then select a different pattern. Thank you. and then there. And then you just keep going on with that. And that is how you make a sun bucket. Except mine looks sucky. You know? It does.